So this is just what we're gonna do every time I come in the kitchen? You're just gonna try to trade me? You think I want your lamb? Do you know what I'm talking about?